Hello everyone, welcome to Flowealth Academy. Today we are going to learn about Tidido Sales AI. So you will go to your Google or Chrome and then you go to search bar and enter Tidido Sales AI and click enter. After clicking enter, you'll see this page and you'll search for Tidido AI for sales. Then you click. After clicking that, you will see the landing page. So for me, I already have an account, so you'll see this page. This will basically be the landing page. So you'll see product, pricing, solutions and resources available, so you can click go to app. If you don't have an account, you need to register one or create an account. But for Tidido, you must have a website. So let's say your business must have a website. So there will be a place where you will be required to put in your website URL. So basically Tidido AI, it will help you in many ways. It can chat customers, it can offer recommended discounts, and it also contain all customer communication, and it's a good tool to use. So let's look at the tool. So on the dashboard, what you will see will be dashboard, inbox if you have any messages from any customer, Lyro, AI agent, flows, customers, analytics. Here you can do the analysis, check the engagement, integrations and settings, and this here will be your account. So you can check out the flows. So here you will basically direct the AI strategies to follow, how to answer customer questions. So to use this one, you need to have a website first. So for me, I don't have a website, so you need to have a website to use this, but it's pretty easy to use. You'll be guided throughout. If you don't know anything, you can just ask this AI here and it will help you. That's all. Thank you.